All right, prime time. Here's the video to randomize our jersey numbers for tonight's Hall of Fame jersey number 2. We'll check the time, February 21st at 5:14 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have February 21st at 5:14 p.m. Here's the list of our 10 entries. Give me a minute here. I got to get rid of these numbers so it doesn't get super confusing. Give me 1 second. Oop. All right, one more. Okay, just get rid of those so it doesn't get confusing once I mix them up here. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whatever numbers pop up in front of your name will be the numbers you have for jersey number 2 tonight. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. So we'll get this list posted. You guys can trade numbers if you like, and then we'll see you for the break.